Hi everyone, AMHCosplays here, and I want to show you what I have been working on for the last week. I have been organizing my workspace and reorganizing this particular wall unit. Here are two of my very poofy wigs that I don't dare put in a box. All right, here we go. This is basically my styling products, my brushes, my combs, and a whole heap of extra wig caps as well. We have styling ink, more brushes, more combs, clips, tubes. I have the rest of the cubbies, and there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of them. Each bin contains 12 to 14 wigs. So let's go take a look. This first bin is my unassigned wigs. I have wigs that I've bought from Arda, I have wigs from Beautifa, and I have wigs from other sources that just haven't been paired up with a cosplay yet. So numbers, the only one I have is 2B. All the way A, we've got Anna, we've got Atlanta, we've got Audrey Bourgeois, then I've got some B's, like Batgirl, Barbie, Beetlejuice. Here we have the last of the B's for Belle and Brunhilde, and Buttercup. Catwoman, all the way through the D's to Divine, and Dr. Breakout. Lots of room in this one because we've got some bulky wigs like Elsa. There's Freddie, Emma Frost. Anyway, all the way to Isabella Madrigal. There are J's. Well, I, as in Curtis. J's, Joker, Jingles, Jackie O, Jessica Rabbit. Moving all the way through to M's. Here's Lucy, Megan, and Majestia. More M's, Martha May. Going all the way through to Mrs. Claus. There we have O for Osaragi going through the P's. And this whole section here is just Poison Ivy, Poison Ivy, Poison Ivy. We have P for Polgara, who I'll make someday. Then we move Power Girl, Professor Ivy. Here's my Ranma wigs, Rogue, Salem, and we got Serena, and ending with Shampoo. Up. She-Go, and then a whole heap of She-Hulks. More She-Hulks. This is Smurfette. Moving on to the Star Wars and Classic Sue Storm. And the end. Here we have True Richards. Here's Syndrome. Going through V, Vampirella, Wednesday, and oh, that one's backwards. York. That leaves these last 4 cubbies. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is where I keep my character-specific wigs. Now, you saw I had a lot of Poison Ivy and a lot of She-Hulk, but there are cosplays that I have even more wigs for, and that's where these are kept. Let's start out. Bulma! Yeah, I got a lot of Bulma wigs, and they are kind of smooshed together. Not far behind are the Harley wigs. As you can see, I got many of my Harley wigs from War Valley. I've got others. So yeah, there's quite a few Harley wigs here. And finally, Wonder Woman. Not as many Wonder Woman wigs as I thought I would have, but I've got many more Wonder Women to come, so the space in here will be taken up by that.
That leaves this last cubby, and in here I keep all the wigs for cosplays that I'm currently working on, like Nurse Joy, Jessie, and a few others. Eventually I have those cosplays for you. Thanks so much for watching.